Hey everyone, my name is Alessandro Voto. I'm a product manager with ChainSafe Gaming, and today I want to talk to you about the prize that we're putting up for ETH Bogota. So if you're unfamiliar with ChainSafe Gaming, we provide tools, infrastructure, and research and development and consulting services to build a decentralized future for gaming. So some of the tools that we have that help power up your games include Web3 Unity. This is our blockchain SDK for Unity that helps you bring in blockchain functionality for your game really easily using drag and drop prefabs. We have support for NFTs and tokens, both 721 and 1155. We have simple, safe login through MetaMask and Wallet Connect. We support any EVM chain, and we have IPFS backup for importing textures or media files or anything else you might want to pull from IPFS. We work across browser with WebGL, iOS and Android for mobile and desktop, making reads, writes, anything you need directly from those platforms. And we allow custom contract calls in case you want to outgrow some of the prefabs that we have and do your own Solidity development. We're open source, so you can take a look at how we've done things, submit bug reports, submit feature requests, and help build the future of decentralized gaming with us. We've just released a huge update that we're calling ChainSafe Marketplace, and that is a set of Web3 Unity in-game prefabs and a beta web UI for allowing ERC 721 and 1155 minting, and we have an embeddable marketplace. So you can bring that marketplace into your game and sell NFTs, or you can access those same NFTs and do all the minting and selling functions on this web UI. All of the metadata that's associated with the NFTs that you create are stored on IPFS, and that's done automatically using ChainSafe storage. And you can try it now. Here's the URL for the beta web UI, but you can also download the latest version of Web3 Unity, which is version 1.5.0, and you can drag and drop those prefabs in. And that's important because that brings us to our prize. So your quest for the prize, should you choose to accept it, is to build a video game with Web3 Unity and make use of the embeddable NFT marketplace prefab. So we want you to create unique in-game NFT assets and then pull this marketplace prefab into your game and list those NFT-based game assets that you've created on that marketplace and make them available for sale to your gamers. The deliverables for this prize, we want to see a playable demo of your game or interactive experience if you choose to go with that route. We want to see the source code behind the gamer experience, and we want to see that you are using Web3 Unity in it, specifically the NFT marketplace prefab that allows you to embed it within the game. We'd also appreciate a walkthrough video that shows us how you built your game, what it does technically, and demonstrates the full flow of a user coming across the marketplace within the game and purchasing one of the NFTs that you've created to access an in-game asset. If you run into trouble, or if you just want to say hi, we're here to help. You can find the ETH Bogota prize details and all the links that you need at this link below. So if you need to pause this video and check it out, here it is. Or you can access it straight from the ETH Global portal. And in that prize description, we have some inspiration for the kinds of experiences you might choose to create, and we have links for Web3 Unity's documentation, which should be your first step. In that documentation, we have a full tutorial on how to download Web3 Unity, how to access and use each of the prefabs, and we have code examples in there. So it's a great place to start if you're new to the SDK. And if you run into any trouble, we have live support. The best way to go is to go straight to ChainSafe's Discord, and there's a link in that prize description as well. Come say hi, come share your game in the Gaming Showcase channel, and if you need help, we have the Gaming Help channel. So good luck, have fun. We are so excited to see what you create with our SDK and with the new NFT Marketplace prefabs. So take care, everyone, and thank you.